On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make up to $400 per day with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is one of the simplest way that you can use as a beginner to make money with affiliate marketing. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network so that you can find products to promote. You can join ClickBank, you can join Warrior Plus, or any affiliate network that you know. In this case, we are going to be using Digistore24. If you want, you can create an account on Digistore24. It is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can create an account and then get products to promote so that you can be earning a commission anytime you get a sale. So now once you create your Digistore24 accounts and login, you are going to see a page like this. What you have to do is that you have to click right here, Marketplace, so that you can find products to promote. Once you click on Marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see these are categories of digital products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a lot of different categories. You can see email marketing, education, family and case, and many more. You can see a whole lot of different categories of products that you can promote. If you want to promote events and seminars, you can click right here to find some of them so that you can promote. If you want to promote services, you can click on it and then find services that you can promote. If you want to promote physical products, you can click right here, physical products, so that you can find a physical product to promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting a physical product, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see skincare supplements. Click on supplements. Once you click on supplements, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see this is a supplement that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see the commission rate is $104.38. That is the amount that you are going to be paid anytime you get a sale. You can see the popularity. This product is popular. You can see it has a 5-star rating. So it means if you promote it, you are going to get a lot of people who will purchase it for you to earn money. As I scroll, you can see many other products. You can see this product right here. The commission rate is $81.08 per every sale that you get. As I scroll, you can see the details of the products. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here, Steel Bite Pro. This product helps people to keep their teeth white and strong. So we are going to be promoting it to people so that we can get them to purchase it for us to earn money. You can see the commission rate is $100.53. You can see it right here. If you want more details about the product, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can click right here, sales page, so that you can look at the landing page of the product. Let me just click on it for you to see. As you can see, this is the landing page of the product. Do this 60-second dental trick before going to bed tonight to rebuild your teeth and gums and get rid of tooth decay. That is the title. So this is the exact page that your potential visitors are going to see. You can see they have a video presentation of the products. This video was made by experienced marketers, so they have enough information to convince people to buy the product for you to earn money. Your duty as an affiliate is to bring traffic to this landing page so that they can convince the people to buy the product for you to earn money. So now what you have to do is that you have to get your affiliate link so that you can drive traffic to this landing page. To get your affiliate link, you are going to come back to the product. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link. In my case, I've been promoting the product. That is why you are seeing my affiliate link right here. In your case, you are going to see something like promote now. Once you see something like that, you are going to click on it. For example, you can see this product. Because I have not promoted it, you can see it right here. If you see something like this, click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So now once you have your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a simple trick that you can use to get many people who will click on your link and then purchase the product for you to make money without investing anything. The next step is that you are going to come on YouTube and then search for how to keep your teeth white and healthy, something like this. Just search for it, healthy, something like this. Type this on the search bar. Once you type it, you are going to search for it so that you can find videos about how to keep your teeth white. Once you search for it, you can see many videos about how to keep your teeth white and strong. You can see this video has 10 million views. You can see this one has 58k views. You can see this one has 6 million views. So what we are going to do is that we are going to look for a long video that has a lot of views. You can see this one has 50 million views. Natural ways to whiten teeth at home. It has 50 million views. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using this video. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this is the video. The reason why this video got 50 million views is that the information in the video is very helpful to the viewers. That is why many people are watching it. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using this video content so that we can drive traffic to our affiliate link. So now what you have to do is that you have to come to this website ytsummarize.com. Search for ytsummarize.com. Once you search for it, you are going to find a website like this. This is an AI tool that can help you summarize any YouTube video that you want. You can use it for free before you upgrade. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, sign in, or you can just click right here, get started, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you click on it, you can choose to sign up with your Google accounts or your Microsoft accounts. In this case, I'm going to use my Google account. So let me just log in for you to see. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy the URL of the video and then paste it here so that it can summarize the video for you. So you are going to come back on the video. Once you come back, you are going to click right here, share. Once you click on share, you can see this is the link of the video. Click right here, copy, so that you can copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, you are going to click right here, find video. Once you click on it, you can see this is the video. So now what you have to do is that you have to summarize the content in the video. So click right here, summarize video. Once you click on summarize video, you can see the video has been summarized. You can see it right here. So as I scroll, you can see this is the video. You can see this is the summary of the content of the video. You can see it is summarizing everything with quotations. You can see everything. So let me just scroll to the bottom. You can see it has summarized the video. You can see everything in the video. This is the content of the video. You can see everything. So now what you have to do is that we have to publish this content so that we can get many people to read it, and then click on our affiliate link so that they can purchase the product that we are promoting. The product is about how to whiten your teeth. So this engaging content can help us get people to click on our link and then purchase the product. So now the next step is that you are going to find a platform where you can publish this content so that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link. One of the best websites that you can publish your article for free is medium.com. Medium gets more than 100 million visits every month. You can see many people are posting their content right here. You can see these are the trending content on the platform. You can see many of them. As I scroll, you can see many people have posted their articles here and they are trending. Many people are reading them. So what we are going to do is that we are also going to create an account so that we can publish the content that we have summarized here, so that we can get people to read it and then click on our affiliate link so that they can purchase the product. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, get started, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are suggested content that you can read. So our content is also going to be suggested to other readers on this platform so that they can read it and then purchase the product. You can see many content that they have suggested to me. So this is exactly what they are going to do to your content. They are going to suggest it to other readers on the platform so that you can read it and then purchase the product that you are promoting. So now what you have to do is that you have to publish your content right here. To publish your content, you are going to click right here, write. Once you click on write, you can see title. So you are going to paste the title of your content right here. In this case, we are going to copy the title of the video that we summarize. Just highlight and copy it. Once we highlight and copy it, we are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see tell your story. This is where you are going to paste your content. In this case, we are going to add an image to it so that our content can be engaging. When you click on the plus sign, you can see you can upload your own image. You can add an image from Unsplash. You can embed a video right here. You can embed any link that you want and many others. In this case, we are going to add an image to it so that our content can appear nice. So just click on this icon right here, Unsplash. Once you click on it, you are going to search for an image that you want to add to your content. So let's search for white teeth, something like this. Search for it so that you can find an image. Once you search for it, you can see these are images that you can use in your article. You can see they have 10,000 results, meaning there are many images that you can select. So when you scroll down, you can find many images that you want. If you want, you can click next so that you can find many images. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, I'm going to use this image right here. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the image has been selected. Once that is done, you can see they have given credit to the owner of the image. So now what you have to do is that you have to copy and paste the body of your article. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back on YT summarized and then copy your content. So you are going to highlight from here, highlight all the summarized information, just highlight everything. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy the content. Once you copy the content, you are going to come back and then paste your article right here. As you can see, the content has been pasted right here. You can see this is the content. You can see everything. You can see this is the content. Once you paste the content, the next step is that you are going to insert your affiliate link so that you can get people to click on it and then purchase the product for you to make money. So you are going to begin adding call to actions. First of all, you can add a call to action at the bottom of your article. So just type something like, click here to learn more about how to keep your teeth white and healthy, something like this. Once you type your call to action like this, the next step is that you are going to copy and insert your affiliate link in this text so that anytime people click on it, they can be directed to the product through your affiliate link. So you are going to come back on Store 24. You can see this is your affiliate link. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to search for tinyurl.com. Once you search for it, you are going to paste it right here so that you can shorten your link. Just paste it right here. Once you paste it, click on shorten URL. Once you shorten the link, click right here, copy. Once you copy the link, you are going to highlight your call to action. Once you highlight it, you can see this icon. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see paste or type a link. So you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, press enter and you can see this call to action is now linked to our affiliate link. Once that is done, you can insert your affiliate link in any part of the article that you want. For example, you can just type your call to action right here. Learn more about whitening your teeth here. Just something like this. Learn more about whitening your teeth here. Type something like this. What you have to do is that you have to highlight it. Once you highlight it, click on the link icon and then paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Press enter and you can see your affiliate link has been inserted right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to publish your article so that you can get many people to read it. To publish your article, you are going to click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you are going to tag your article. You want it to be ranked on Medium and on Google search. So you are going to tag it with the appropriate keywords so that it can be ranked. So you are going to type something like whiten teeth, something like this. You can see that is in our title. So just type that. Once you type it, you can see, click on it, that has been tagged. Once that is done, you are going to add another tag. So whitening teeth, just type it and you can see the keywords. You can see how to whiten teeth, select that. Once that is done, you are also going to tag something like teeth. You can see teeth whitening, select that. Once that is done, type teeth again so that you can tag it. You can see teeth, select it right here. As you can see, that has been done. We can add up to 5. We have added 4. Let's type teeth again, teeth. Once you type teeth, you can see teeth whitening and treatment, select that. Once you have ended the tags, the next step is that you are going to publish it. If you want, you can schedule it for a later date, but in this case we are going to publish it now. So click right here, publish. As you can see, publishing story. So you are going to wait for it to be published. You can see your article has been published on Medium. You can see just now. You can see your story is published. So now what you have to do is that you have to share it on any social media that you want so that you can get many people to read it. If you want, you can click right here, copy link, so that you can copy the link of your article. As you can see, this is the article. You can see everything in the article. You can see all the tips in the article. You can see everything. You can see this is our call to action and you can see the tags right here. Once you have published it on Medium, you also want to drive external traffic to it so that you can get many people to read it. Medium has internal traffic. It means there are many people who visit Medium to read articles. So you are going to be getting free traffic to your affiliate link. Apart from that, what we are going to be doing is that we are also going to be driving external traffic to our articles so that we can get quick results. So what you have to do is that you have to come on this website, exactseek.com. Just search for exactseek.com. Exactseek.com allows you to submit your URLs for free so that they can list it on search engines. So we are going to submit it on this website so that our article can be submitted to different search engines and we are going to get a lot of people to read our article so that we can be making money from home without investing anything. You don't need to pay anything to submit an article on this website. So what you have to do is that you have to copy and paste the link of your article right here and then submit it. So just come back on Medium. Once you come back on Medium, you can see this icon right here. Click on it, share. Once you click on share, you can see copy link. copy the link of your article. Once you copy the link of your article, you are going to paste it right here. Just paste it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, you are going to enter your email address right here. Once that is done, you can see I read and agreed to terms of use. You have to check that box. Once you check it, you are going to click right here, submit your site. Once you click on it, you can see your website has been submitted. So now what you have to do is that you have to check your email inbox to confirm that you are a human being. They don't want robots. They want to ensure that you are a real human being. So what you have to do is that you have to check your email inbox. As you can see, you will need to confirm your submission using the link in that email before your site will be considered for inclusion in our search results. So you have to visit your email inbox so that your article can be ranked for a lot of readers to find it and then read it. Once they read it, many of them are going to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product for you to make money. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.